Right, hello. Today we're going to find this region R. So to do that, what we need to first do is differentiate C, which is given here as x cubed minus 10x squared plus 27x minus 23, so that we can figure out what the line L is. So let's do that. We'll differentiate. That will give us dy dx is equal to 3x squared minus 20x plus 27. And now then we want to take our point P and substitute it into dy dx. This will give us the gradient of the line L. So let's do that now. Dy dx evaluated at P is going to be equal to 3 times 5 squared minus 20 times 5 plus 27. So that's 75 minus 100 plus 27. So that is altogether just 2. So this is the gradient of the line L. What we need to do now then is use y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, where x1 and y1 are the points from P, and m is the gradient over here of 2. So doing that, we get y plus 13 is equal to 2 multiplied by x minus 5. Expanding the bracket on the right, we get 2x minus 10. And then if we subtract the 13 from both sides, we get y is equal to 2x minus 23. So that's the equation for L. Now that we've got both equations, one for L, one for C, we're able to integrate between the 2 points. So by doing C, take away L, and integrate in between 0 and 5. So the region R is equal to the integral from 0 to 5 of C, which is x cubed minus 10x squared plus 27x minus 23. And then we need to subtract L, so 2x minus 23, and integrate that all with respect to x. Let's just expand our bracket and think about how many powers of each x we have. So integral still from 0 to 5. X cubes remain the same, 10x squared remains the same. The 27x and the minus 2x will give us 25x. And then minus 23 plus 23 is going to be 0. So no term for C. And now then, performing the integral, we'll have x cubed on 4, take away 10x cubed on 3, plus 25x squared on 2. And we need to evaluate that between, again, 0 and 5. So the 0 will just give us 0 when we plug everything in. So it's all about the 5 then. So I'll do this on the left-hand side a bit. We'll have 5 to the power 4 divided by 4, which is equal to 10 multiplied by 5 cubed divided by 3, plus 25 times 5 squared divided by 2. So trying to evaluate all of this then, 5 to the power 4 is 625. That's still over 4. We'll have 5 cubed is 125, so this is 1,250 divided by 3. And then 25 times 5 squared being 25, is again going to be 625. So plus 625 over 2. And we'll keep going. So the easiest way to do this is probably to try and make 12 the denominator of all of them. So we need to multiply this one by 3. So what does 625 times by 3 give us? That gives us 1,875. And now it's over 12. We'll take away. We need to times this middle fraction by 4. So doing that will give us 5,000 on 12. And then lastly, we need to times the last one by 6. So 625 times by 6 gives us 3,750. And again, over 12. So adding these all together then will give us the final answer. So 1875 minus 5,000 plus 3750 gives us 625, which is quite nice. Divided by 12. So that is our final answer. 625 divided by 12.